Do you want to learn how to make a legitimate banana peel flour to use in your gardens? A flower like this, guys, look pure. You see beautiful? Today you will learn how to make banana peel flour, and you are using your garden to make your garden more beautiful, healthier, and more powerful. This one, guys, was the 2 watermelon plants that I planted to test with the banana peel. Look, I really found the result of banana peel flour incredible. I did the test, put it in my vegetable garden, and it had a huge highlight referring to the other plants. And I will show you step by step how to prepare, how to make banana peel flour, and how you should use it in your vegetable garden or in your garden. So come with me. You're just going to take the peel of the banana and you're going to shred it as hard as you can, right? For me, this point here is already cool. You will shred and you will store this banana peel in the sun. You put the canvas in the sun to get very dry. You leave it like this, well spread like this. In a place in the sun, you can put a tray, a bowl, a screen, but stay in the sun. If you don't put it in the sun, it will create a bad smell and attract flies. Then, when it stays in the sun, spending approximately 30 days there, it will stay like this, very dry. Guys, this is the ideal point for you to crush and make banana peel farofa to put in your garden. Look, guys, how dry is this here? Look. Huh? Oh, right. After fencing, you'll just simply crush these peels and use them in your vegetable garden. So I'm going to show you how I grind in my shredder, okay? This here is my shredder that I made myself. I just did the same thing for this, just to crush all the material I'm using here in the garden, okay? And it's simple. I come with the peel, which is the peel of the dried banana. I put it and put everything. In my case, guys, I'm putting everything here because the engine I'm using here, in this case, it would be from the grinder, is a very strong engine. So I can basically fill it up to here, that it will grind. In your case, if you don't have it, right, a shredder like this, you try to break as much as you can. So, and put it little by little in the blender, or buy an industrial blender and put it little by little. There's no problem. Just be careful not to break it in the future for you to see. That's it, guys. I've turned it off. There's no danger. Look, guys. How does this look? I don't think it took 2 minutes. I don't think it took 2 minutes to be able to make this phenomenal flour here. Look, guys, what a beautiful flower. The banana smell is very nice. The banana smell is very good. Look, you see, guys. Now, I'm going to show you the result that my plant got just with this banana flower here. This one, guys, was the 2 watermelon plants that I planted to test with the banana peel. Detail. The 2 lands here were fertilized with manure, cow manure. I used the same dead layer. See? The same dead layer, as you can see. The same dead layer to protect the soil. But the only difference is that in this one I put banana peel flour. That was the only difference. You can see that they are 2 beautiful plants, 2 healthy plants. Green, right? Totally healthy. There is no type of disease, no type of pests. The land has been fertilized. It is beautiful. But the only difference is that this one, I put banana peel flour, this flour here, that I always make, right? Victor, how did you do it? Simple. You come, take off the strip. Don't remove this dead layer. Remove this dead layer. Dead layer, these are the kills here, right? Guys, you come, dig a little bit like this. Very careful not to catch the root, and throw the banana peel. Simple as that. Then you bury it again with the earth. That's it. And put the dead layer to protect the soil again. Do the other side the same way, right? The same way it is, Vita, I can simply just sprinkle play like this. Around play here, around of course you can, but you must remove the dead layer. You push away all the dead layer here, and you throw you. Detail, you can't play personal. You can't play well on the plant stem. It doesn't have to be around like this, giving a distance, right? Because it can give some fungus and make your plant sick. So you play. I didn't need to bury it, but I come with the dead layer and cover it over again, because then when I start irrigating, I keep throwing water. Because you're a bitch, right? The properties of this Farafina will penetrate the soil and in turn will feed our plant to stay beautiful and healthy. You can see the difference from each other. Oh no, it's not a big thing, you know, but there's a difference. When planting, I selected the two same, also the two well, right? The most beautiful. I put the same height of earth, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. I put the same height of soil and fertilizer, right? Same amount of dead layer. And it was the same manure I put in. The only difference was the banana flour. So use banana peel flour that you will have a much better, very satisfactory result. Right, people? So he's here to prove it to you. Banana peel flour is high in potassium, folks, which is a more abundant mineral that exists in banana peel. It helps transport water and nutrients between plant cells. It also helps to strengthen the stem and protects plants from diseases. Look guys, how cool. Very beautiful, guys. The watermelon foot is very beautiful. Although one compared to the other, there is not that really glaring difference, huge. But there was a difference and the banana peel flour made that difference, right? Then it's well worth it. You're there storing the banana peels, drying them, and then making the flour, right? So guys, if you like it, leave your like, subscribe to a channel and activate the bell that there will come something good, okay? And that's it guys. Thank you very much for your attention.